Welcome to the world of color-changing lamps. Today, we'll guide you through the simple setup process and address some common questions to ensure a smooth experience for you and your clients. Our color-changing lamps offer a range of features that set them apart, with the ability to select any color, as well as any color temperature between 2200 Kelvin and 4000 Kelvin. Your clients will have unparalleled control over their lighting. But that's not all. These lamps are also dimmable, allowing the ability to fine-tune each fixture's output. And for added convenience, we've included 6 zones, allowing you to change groups of fixtures at once. This is perfect for coordinating lighting across different areas of your client's landscapes. Setting up your color-changing lamps is as straightforward as inserting them into a powered fixture. Once the lamp flashes, use the RF remote to assign your desired zone. Now, let's discuss reprogramming your zones. It's an easy process. To reprogram all lamps, press the All On button on the remote 6 times. For a single zone, press the corresponding zone button 6 times. When reprogramming a single lamp, follow the same steps as reprogramming a single zone, ensuring only that specific lamp is powered on. The AMP portable battery pack can assist in reprogramming single lamps. An important note is that lamps cannot be reprogrammed on that first power cycle. The system must be powered off and then turned back on in order to reprogram the lamps. Here's a helpful tip to avoid frequent reprogramming. Strategically pair every other light to a specific zone. This way, your clients can effortlessly switch between different lighting schemes without the need for reprogramming. Keep in mind, the remote control has a range of 30 feet. Ensure your clients stay within this distance for optimal control of the lights. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to setting up and troubleshooting your color-changing lamps. These lamps are ready to add a touch of color to your projects. Available now for a fully customizable outdoor lighting experience.